In this video, I want to show you how to clean the print heads of your Epson EcoTank ET-2850. So if you're printing and you're noticing that whatever you printed has some white lines going on, it means that your print heads are getting clogged. Maybe you didn't print enough, and this is what's happening with all these inkjet printers. So to do the cleaning on this printer, all you have to do is, well, let's press the home button so you start on the same page as me. Press the right side arrow until you get to maintenance. Press OK. Now you can do a nozzle check, you don't have to. This is just in case you're not sure if your print heads are clogged and you need to do this print head cleaning, but we'll assume that you need. Click on the right side arrow and here is the first option, which is a head cleaning. If you press OK, as it says here, clean print head to correct missing dots. If you want to do this, press OK and then press the start button over here after you make sure that you have some paper inserted in the paper input over there, because at the end it will print a page. So this is the first option to do a print head cleaning. If I go back, you also have a power cleaning. Power cleaning, it's the same as a head cleaning, it's just more intense. Every time you do a print head cleaning, by the way, you're going to use a bit of this ink. Some of this ink will get discarded. So you cannot do this too many times. If not, well, you're going to use all the ink and it goes on the waste pad that is located on the back. So if you don't have enough ink, let's say your ink levels are under one of these lines, the last lines down below, you won't be able to do a power cleaning, which is again a more powerful print head cleaning in case the problem doesn't go away by simply doing a head cleaning. But overall, this is it. I hope it is useful. Leave a comment down below if your problem went away after you did a head cleaning. And by the way, you can do multiple head cleaning. If after doing one you see an improvement, I suggest you go and do another one, because this means that your problem is getting solved. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.